Good morning everyone. In today's episode I've got one of the most beautiful cases in the world. NZXT H210. Let's unbox it. There's a newer version available which is with the I, so 210i, but the differences are very minor. Probably just the RGB, and that's all it is. So, and it's way more expensive. What is very important, check the dents on the box. Any dents? No. Flawless. Because sometimes the courier will like to smash your box a little bit. And yeah, with the PC cases, this is very, very dangerous. Now, this box looks untouched. Fantastic. Yes! Wow! Wow! Now let's see the top first. Only one hole for the fan. It's okay. Jack, USB Type-C, USB 3.0 Gen 2, I think, and the power button, no reset button. Okay. NZXT logo on the front. Can you see it? Barely. Now that's the glass. That's the wide angle. Okay, that's the glass. Nothing on this side. And on the back, you have a huge fan, 2 slots, and a place for the power supply. A lot of screws. Wow. And of course, tempered glass on this side. Oh, really thick. Wow. This is the bottom. There's a dust filter here. Okay, there it is, a dust filter. Oh man, dust filter. Anyway, the dust filter is in here. What about those holes? What's the deal here? Dust can definitely go through those holes and definitely through this huge hole. Now we have a dust filters here. One big one. This is a huge one. Other side. Wow, cable management things. Now this is for the SSD, SATA SSD. Okay, let's remove the, and the case holds, okay, tons of screws, and oh, what's that? Oh wow, that's a very, very nice cable for mic and for headphones. Okay, okay. Very small, tiny zips. Plenty of screws. Come on, zips. And yeah, this cable is for the motherboard, IGP LED. Okay, and what's this? I don't know what's this for, but yeah, couple of screws and small manual, which is oh wow, let me do wide angle. Bam. Wow, very, very nice made. The question is, how do I get to the front dust filters? No idea. Black and red theme on this case looks striking, and you definitely need black and red components to get this very nice striking view. This is the Micro-ITX black board. It definitely will fit. Anyway, what do you think about this case? Let me know in the comment below. There you have it, folks. It's tiny, pretty light. The metal is not that thin. It's pretty thick. The whole body is premium. I like it. I like it. Thanks for watching and goodbye.